If your phone battery drains faster than your patience at the airport, then this tiny brick might just save your day. Hey everyone, it's Handman. Today we're checking out the INIU 45W portable charger, a compact power bank that touts dual device support, fast charging, and even a flashlight. Do an unboxing and then we'll take a look at the pros and cons. First thing it says, scan the barcode on the seal sticker, and that way we can see if this is authentic. After scanning the barcode or QR code on the box using our Amazon app on the smartphone, we get the nice green check mark. Product is valid. To check the battery level, we will just press the power button on the side, and we get the power level 55%. So one of the big selling features of this device is that you can charge up to 3 devices at once.
Simultaneous. What do you think of that?
Right, you have the USB-C port, a USB-A port, and the lanyard USB-C for the third device. The USB-C ports are the only ones that support fast charging on this power bank. When you charge multiple devices, the device does split the power between all of the devices. And again, just a reminder, only the USB-C ports support fast charging. Double click the power button and you get a nice bright flashlight. Nothing says I'm a prepared traveler like having your own mini spotlight, or at least something to help you find that snack you can't find in your cycling handlebar bag. So let's go through some of the pros. First off, the 45-watt fast charging capability. That's great for smartphones, for tablets, and even some lightweight laptops. It has enough juice to charge a smartphone a couple of times, not just once. The next pro is that it can charge up to 3 devices at once. Right? We have our 2 ports on the side and the lanyard. This is perfect for creators or travelers, like cyclists carrying multiple gadgets. Next pro is the accurate LED display. From the side button, there aren't blinking bars, you get a real percentage. And the percentage will blink when you're recharging the charger itself, and for that I would use the lanyard that's attached to get, fast charging if it's available. Next pro, of course, it's compact, lightweight, with that built-in cable. It's easy to toss into a sling bag or a jersey pocket, and you never need to search for a USB-C cable. And the last pro, that built-in flashlight. Surprisingly useful, because if your smartphone's battery is drained down to 0 and that's what you were using for your flashlight, now with a double tap of the power button we have a portable flashlight. Now let's go through some of the cons. First off, this is not for power hungry laptops. It's strong, but it's not meant for big laptops that need 60 to 100 watts. So if I'm traveling with my laptop, I'll try to power that up, not with this power bank, but with a power adapter through a wall socket, link above. So for this, it's more for lighter charging, like, a smartphone, earpods, that kind of thing, or an iPad. Next con, it is a bit thick. There it is beside a credit card, and also, I guess, an almost standard eyeglass case, so it's thinner than that, but it's big. There are thinner ones on the market, but again, you have to find that sweet spot, right? The thinner ones are probably less wattage or less milliamp hours, so they won't last as long, and you need to find one that's right for you. So again, for me, this is right. And the last con is that built-in flashlight. So it is a pro and a con. It's a pro in that it's really useful if you need a flashlight. The con is, as you grab the device, the power is right where you grab this device, and so it's very easy to have double tapped and turned on the flashlight inadvertently. My final verdict, the INIU 45-watt 20,000 milliamp hour portable charger, it's honestly one of the best mid-sized power banks for travelers, cyclists, commuters, or anyone carrying more than one device. It's reliable, fast, it's portable, and it packs a few surprises like that flashlight. So if you want to check it out for yourself, there's a link down below. This is Handman saying, I'll see you in the next video.